Hello everybody, I am here to share a D-stash I purchased from Poet Spice, who is Jamie here on YouTube. Hi Jamie. And it arrived today, so I'm going to share it with you. She did a D-stash of coloring books. Now she has a separate coloring channel, but she did the D-stash on her Poet Spice, what I call her regular channel. I only got two, but she threw in some extra stuff, so I'm going to show it all to you. This is the first one. Now this probably is an AI book because there's no publisher name, there's no artist name. I don't care. It's cute. It is called A Group of Cats on a Pirate Ship. Coloring book for all ages, and it just starts right out with cats. So aren't these cute? So now I have three coloring books, but this one's a little different, you know, because they're pirates. I know Jamie likes pirates, and so I'm going to do a quick flip through. And here's the back. So it has four sample pictures. I just thought it was adorable, and it doesn't look like it would be too hard for me, you know. So just so cute. That would be all right for Halloween too. Oh, look at that one. That's so cute. Little stowaways. Yeah, so cute. I love my kitties. And my kitty is sitting here staring at me. She has been very clingy to me today, and my son is about ready to walk out the door to go to work, so she'll be even more clingy. And so I'm trying to get through this fairly quickly. Oh, goodness. So, yeah, just adorable pictures. I love that one. I love that one too. I love them all. They're so cute. So, if Martha Makes Art is watching, if you continue your kitty open collab next year, I'll probably try and do, if not every month, every other month, kitties, because I got three books to do kitties in now, you know? So that's the first one. And then the second one um, is by Nadia Vasilkova. Now, I looked this up on Amazon, and it's $24.99. And there's only one copy left. It is called Coloring Book Magic Beauty, Animals, Birds, Flowers, Mandalas, Beautiful Fairies. I'll show it to you in a minute. But I'm going to tell you, I paid $17 shipped for both of these. This one is $6.99 on Amazon. So $7 and $25. That's 30 some dollars. So I got everything half price, including the shipping. So at first I was like, eh, because I mean, this is $6.99 on Amazon. I didn't pay that for it. And this is $24.99 on Amazon, and I didn't pay that for it. So I think she was, I can't remember. You have to watch the video what she was selling them for. I put them in my spreadsheet, but I quickly forgot. I just love that image even, and I don't usually color people, but I just like the idea of this. I think it's a little bit older book. 2017, yeah. All rights reserved. Nadia Vasilkova or something like that. I apologize if I'm saying it wrong. That's the beginning page. And there we go. I don't usually do these grayscale ones, but I'm definitely gonna, and it has like a faded mandala there. I don't know why that is. The bunny with a girl. They're not all girl pictures though. See, there's an owl. So cool. But they all have like gems and the magic crystals, I guess. Um, Actually, I love cats, you know, even wild ones. So there you go. I don't know if I love the backgrounds being grayed like that. So anyway, because I don't know yet exactly how to color it, but there's several pages. That's the one on the cover. I like that one too. Woof. And I'll try and do a girl, especially now that I got the Crayola Color of the World. I love swans, so there you go. Another one, or maybe that's the one on the cover. Nope, it was the other one. Um, Dolphins, some kind of fish. Dragonfly. So it's different. I love the elephant. So did Jamie. I know she likes elephants too. And lion, lioness. She looks familiar, actually. Oh, oh, I don't know if I could do that cat justice. I don't know. We'll see. I like this giraffe. I don't know why, but that when she did a flip through, I saw that, and actually I like this too. And the bunny. That one, I don't know. I'm not a big rooster. See the gems, goldfish, I would say. Foxy, peacock, deer. More deer or some kind of elk maybe or something. Tiger. Owls. Dragon. Yeah. I'm gonna say he's an iguana. I don't know if that's right or not. And it's sort of shaped like an owl but with a heart for a face. Okay, so this must be a compilation. Oh no. Okay, so that's the book and then she added in 12 illustrations from the coloring book, Magic Totem, a little gift from the author. Oh, okay. They're even more grade. Oh, I like that one. So I'm gonna have to look up how best to color grayscale. Yeah. That might be a 2025 venture because I don't think I'll have time this year. So those are what I bought. And then Jamie, being Jamie, threw in some extra goodies. So she gave me this Totally Tiffany crafting apron. Now, the funny thing is, and I messaged her back, I don't have one of these. I don't have an apron for in my craft room, but I've been putting off trying my resin kit that I got for a Christmas present a year or so ago. Can't remember if it was last year or the year before. Anyway, and my jelly press thing, jelly print thing. And I've been challenged to get that out and use it. So maybe it would be a good idea to wear this. I love the teal on it. So thank you, Jamie. And she sent me embossing folders that have these. It's 4 in the package by Tattered Lace. I have a knitted one, but I think, I don't remember what 19 centimeters is in inches, sorry. Oh, it's much bigger than the one I have. So that'll be good for doing 5x7 and 6x6 cards. And then there's some border ones and corner ones, so that's cool. I don't have any corner ones. That's interesting. And then she also sent me this Forest Magic 20-piece luxury clear stamp set for the holidays with the deer to make a scene, Winter Wonderland. Media. This might have come in like a magazine or something, but that's okay. Okay, I'll add that to my Christmas stuff, which I haven't gone through yet. And she sent me Scrapbook and Cards magazine oh, this is current, Fall Winter 2024. Oh, wow. I'm just going to do a real quick. There's some Christmas, there was Halloween. I don't really scrapbook, but I can get ideas for cards because it is scrapbook and cards. So thank you very much. If I get these at Joann's or whatever, they cost an arm and a leg, so I really appreciate that. I will hold on to that one. In fact, it's funny, when I cleaned out some stuff from my craft room, I got rid of all my jewelry making magazines because I can look stuff up online. I can on this too, but I kept all my paper crafting magazines for ideas, and also because they're the only magazines I have other than AAA, I think, in case I ever want to do a glue book. Heaven forbid I should start another hobby. So be sure to go check out Poet Spice Jamie. I've been YouTube pals with her for a number of years. I'm in her Crack the Vault collab every month. She's the host, and she has other collabs I'm not in. I just can't do so many collabs, but I told her she asked a question on our community, which collabs should she do for 2025? I'm like, I need Crack the Vault to continue. And in fact, when I got this, I thought, well, maybe it's a good time to pull out the jelly plate and try it for Crack the Vault, because that is a collab where we're supposed to use things that we've had for 6 months or more. Yeah, try more like 2 years or more. Yeah. So, yes. And this is new to me, but I've never used it. So, yeah. So that'll be two things for Crack the Vault, and probably some inks and other stuff, stencils and things I haven't used for a while. So anyway, that's all I have for today. Well, no, that's all I have for this video. Oh, and speaking of D-stashes, I have a Halloween and a fall D-stash, mostly paper goods, but also ribbons and stickers and whatever is in those boxes. I am lowering the price today from $45 a box shipped to $35 a box shipped. That's the lowest I can go. There's a lot of paper in there and a lot of other stuff. So if you're interested, get ready for Halloween for next year. And fall is ongoing. So up until, at least through Thanksgiving, you can do fall, right? I mean, fall technically goes into December, but yeah. So check out my D-stashes as well. And just know the price will be lowered down to 35 today. Probably as soon as I get out of my craft room and try to go upload these videos. And I will do that first, and I'll try and put a post in my community tab as well about it. So I hope somebody emails me with some interest. Otherwise, I'm sitting here with boxes of stuff still in my house I need to get rid of. All right, guys, have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I'll talk to you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.